Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's episode we're going to be going over the motor, taking it off the old cart, going through everything, and I mean everything. And then there's going to be some highlights of what I put back on the cart, overview of where we're at in the build, and then hopefully we're starting it up and maybe making some test laps. So like, comment, subscribe, and thank you guys for watching. Here it is. No bueno. Alright guys, got the motor off, so this is the part it was on. Took it off, it's in there. Now what I have to do is take off the accessories, things like that. And then we'll be ready to go on that cart. Let's do this. Yep. Oh man.
That's all of you.
That ain't gonna pass tech. That looks aftermarket.
Alright guys, So, day's finally here. Got everything buttoned up. Went through, had Mr. Blair, who's our tech guy as well, kind of go through the cart, check if there's anything that he saw that needs to be adjusted or fixed, safety wired. Said everything's good. Got chain on there. Everything is ready. I do need to connect that. Other than that, it's all good, ready to go. Hopefully at the end of the day, once track event's done, we'll be driving.